Hi, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. We're under the veranda today. We've got a bit of rain outside. I normally love to make my videos in natural light outside, but obviously we've had a very wet July here. I know it's been burning up around the world, but here in the UK we have had lots of rain and wind. So yeah, we're under the veranda to do our little sound demo video. It's for this beautiful drum. It's an 18-inch Deerskin. It's for sale on our Etsy shop, or it will be within the next day or two after I've made this video. So yeah, I'd say it's Deerskin, ashwood frame, 18-inch. So this handle here is a hazelwood handle, branch handle, and it's laced with artificial sinew. And it's rather beautiful. It's quite a thin deerskin, so it's got quite a thin sound, but being on a big frame, it's quite deep as well. We've got birthed on the 29th of July, burnt into the frame there, and the location, which is Knighton, UK, Wales, UK. So yeah, so we've got that on the inside, and I put my Maker's Mark Driftwood Hollow drums as well. So let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a firm beater and a softer beater. I'll start with the soft beater, I think. You see if you can tell the difference between the two. Say it's got a very beautiful deep tone. The firmer beater. Gorgeous. I'm sorry, I think there might have been a little bit of a phone noise happening then when I started to play. I've got a phone just here. I need to mute it. Okay, well I hope that you enjoyed the video. Hope it's helped you to make a more informed decision when you come to choose your shamanic drum online. It's very difficult. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.